Fix virus and threat protection start actions in Windows 10 11. If you're stuck with the Start Actions button not working in Windows Security, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. The first thing to try is restarting the Windows Security app. Here's how. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open Task Manager, or alternatively, you can simply right click on the Start button. From there, simply choose Task Manager. Now scroll down to Windows Security notification icon. Just right click on it and select End Task. Just after you've done that, reopen Windows Security from the Start menu and check if the Start Action button works. Next, let's make sure Windows Defender services are running properly. Press Windows plus R to simply open the Run dialog box and simply type in services.msc and simply hit Enter. Just scroll down and find Windows Defender Antivirus Service. Just right click and choose Restart. If it's disabled, just set Startup type to automatic and then click Start. Next up, let's run Windows Security Troubleshooter. Just go to Settings. From there, go to System and find Troubleshoot. In Troubleshoot, simply go to Other Troubleshoot and select Windows Security and click the Run Troubleshooter right beside it. Sometimes outdated security definition can also cause this issue, so let's update them. Simply search Windows Security at the search bar and simply open it. Just go to Virus and Threat Protection. Once you've done that, scroll down and click Check for Updates under Protection Updates. Just install any pending updates and restart your PC. Lastly, if system files are corrupted, Windows Security might not work properly. Let's repair them. Type in CMD and simply open it as administrator. Once you've done that, simply type in sfc /scan now. Just wait for the scan to complete and restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Hopefully one of this solution help fix the Start Action issue in Windows Security.